Hi there and welcome back to Usermaven, your all-in-one analytics solution for tracking user activity and optimizing your digital performance. In this video, we'll look into how you can track your website's sign-ups, purchases, and other such conversions. Imagine you're running a powerful social media management tool and you want to know exactly how your users interact with your platform. How many of them are signing up, using a particular feature, or let's say buying your product. Now this is where Usermaven comes in. For the purpose of this video, let's use the example of ContentStudio, which is a social media management tool and one of our partner brands. So let's go back to Usermaven and let's check the events dashboard out. Now, first of all, we have auto-captured events. Usermaven automatically tracks every click, form submission, and page view on your platform, and the best part is that there is no coding required for it. For ContentStudio, we see a couple of auto-captured events over here. We have the submitted form event over here. We have people clicking on specific buttons, for example, the sign-in button over here, and so on. And for each of these events, we have the source page URL, the total number of clicks for that event, and the last time that the event occurred. But what about those critical actions that you really want to focus on? For that, we have pinned events. Here for ContentStudio, you'll see a couple of pinned events. For example, we have the sign-in pinned event, the signed up pinned event, then people clicking on this particular feature in ContentStudio, which is the TikTok analytics feature, people clicking on the free trial button, and so on. Now these are the events that were either made by clicking on the pin button adjacent to a particular event on the auto captured events dashboard, or by clicking on the create pinned event button right here. Then next up we have custom events. Sometimes you need to track something specific for your business, and that is where custom events come in. Look at ContentStudio's custom events over here. We have the social post created custom event, logged in event, connected social accounts event, signed up event, and so on. So over here we can see that these are the number of people who have signed up on ContentStudio. It occurred for the first time over 2 years ago, and it last occurred about 44 minutes ago. This is the activity line graph over here for this event as well. Similarly, for the logged in event, this is the total occurrence of the event, its first and last occurrence, and then we have the activity line graph as well. For a detailed view, let's click on the detailed view button for the event. And over here you see the activity line graph once again, and detailed user information for all of the users that performed this event on ContentStudio. Now let's talk about conversion goals in Usermaven. You should be able to find them on the web analytics dashboard right here. Over here you can see that we have a couple of different conversion goals. We have one for the upgraded plan, we have one for purchased, and so on. Now if I click on the edit button to see what this event was made for, we see that this is a plan upgraded conversion goal, which means that this will show us all the users who upgraded from one particular plan to the other one on the ContentStudio web app. Similarly, this conversion goal shows us the number of users that signed up on ContentStudio. We have the activity line graph, which shows the number of conversions for each particular day. This is the unique number of conversions for this event, the total number of conversions, the overall conversion rate, the amount of value generated from this conversion goal, and the average amount of value generated. Similarly, let's say you want to track the users who have booked a demo on your platform. So we have a conversion goal over here for that as well. Now, going back, I see that about seven users booked a demo on ContentStudio on September 13th. This is the unique number of conversions, this is the total number of conversions for this goal, and it goes on. And this is it. These are just two of the exceptional features that we have in Usermaven, but there is still so much more to learn. With Usermaven, you're not just collecting data, you're gaining actionable insights. So whether you're running a social media tool like ContentStudio or any other digital product, Usermaven helps you understand your users, optimize your funnels, and drive growth. Ready to supercharge your analytics? Give Usermaven a try today. Happy tracking.